Welcome to Simple Health Chef channel. For fun, easy and healthy recipes. Remember SLS means subscribe and like and then share in Facebook or WhatsApp. Rate the video 1 to 10 in the comments below. Today's recipe is banana cookies. Ingredients and instructions are below in the comments. The benefits of banana cookies as a healthier alternative to traditional cookies. These cookies are typically made with ripe bananas, which not only add natural sweetness but also provide various health benefits. Here's a description of the benefits, ingredients, and cooking instructions for banana cookies. Nutritional value: bananas are rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and manganese. These nutrients contribute to heart health, immune function, and overall well-being. Natural sweetness: ripe bananas add natural sweetness to the cookies, reducing the need for added sugars, making them a healthier option for those watching their sugar intake. Fiber content: bananas are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of fullness, making the cookies more satisfying. Antioxidants: bananas contain antioxidants like dopamine and catechins, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Put them in a plastic box and they can be refrigerated for up to 5 days, if they last that long. Remember SLS means subscribe and like and then share in Facebook or WhatsApp.